Hello guys, welcome back in our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can enable edit mode in The Sims 4. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Enable cheats on a PC. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus C on your keyboard. Type in testing cheats true and press enter. Close the dialog box by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C again or enter the cheat of your choice. And you are done. Please note for Mac all process is same. Just need to press Command plus Shift plus C and rest all are same as PC. Method 2. Enable cheats on a console. Press all 4 triggers on your controller. Type in testing cheats true and press enter. You can close the dialog box by pressing all 4 triggers or enter your cheat. And you are done. Only by using these 2 methods, you can easily enable edit mode in The Sims 4. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.